Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ludovic, I'm a Webflow developer and web designer, and on my first video I'm going to show you how you can host a Webflow website for free using GitHub and Vercel. Let's get started. Okay, so first what we need to do is have a website, of course. So I'm gonna clone this website from Timothy Ricks and export the code. I'm gonna name this Webflow to GitHub, create website. Okay, so I need to tell you first, this method only works for website without CMS items. So I'm gonna verify there is no collection. Okay, there's no collection, perfect. And you also need to have a plan, a light plan I think it's called, where you can export the code. So to export the code from a Webflow website, you need to click here, export code. It's going to generate a zip file. So we wait a little time. Here we go, the HTML code, CSS code, JS code, and all the assets. Prepare the zip, download. Okay, nice. And this website is using GSAP, I think. Okay. Yes, GSAP. Okay, so now you need to create a GitHub account. So I already have an account, so I'm gonna sign in. Okay, nice. Sign in. Okay, so what we're going to do next is create a repository. Click on New here. The repository name, so Webflow to GitHub. Available, nice. No description. Private, so nobody can see it. No readme file, we don't need it. No git ignore, no license. And create repository. Okay, so we have two methods to import our files to GitHub, either desktop or command line. For the purpose of the video, we're gonna use desktop, GitHub desktop. So if you click here, it's going to either open GitHub desktop if you already have it, or install GitHub desktop. I already have it, so I'm going to open with it. Okay, nice. Checking it. Clone. Okay, so the repository is now in GitHub desktop. So we need to add our files to the repository. Just here. Oh. Okay, so we're going to select all these files, copy them, and the repository is here, Webflow to GitHub, paste it. Okay, nice. Done. So now GitHub desktop has analyzed the repository, and there's some change. So we need to commit those files to GitHub. We only need a summary, so imported files, no description, we don't need it. Commit to main, nice. Now publish branch here. So now let's go back to github.com. Refresh the page. And we have our files. Nice. So what we need to do next to show the website is go to vercel.com here. It's a platform to host and host websites. So you need to create an account. I already have one, so log in. And you can also continue with GitHub. That's what I do. Nice. I already have my portfolio website here with a custom domain, so for free. Let's do it. Add new. So this is the dashboard. I forgot to tell you. We add a new project. Import Git repository. So Webflow to GitHub. Import here. No framework preset, no root. We don't need to modify anything here. And we can click deploy. It's gonna take a little time, and almost instantly we have a website running. Click, it's running. GSAP is working, so everything is fine. We have the interaction. So for the moment is with the vercel.app subdomain, exactly like the webflow.io subdomain. But what we can do is add a domain here. Just here you can add your domain for free and get a website hosted for free. That's perfect. So I'm going to show you with my main website how it's done. Settings, domains, and I have my main domain working, and also the subdomain for the production. So if I click here, ludoviclosco.com, and I'm not paying for it. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and I see you soon with another Webflow tutorials. Bye!